What's up, everybody? Figured I'd show you my containers I made to hold my different types of feed that I use to make my own chicken feed, because I'm out, as you can see right there. That's where I keep it. So I'm going to show you what I do and how I made it. Well, not really how I made it. I'm going to explain it. I'm not taking it apart. Here you go. Okay, these are food grade barrels. And what I did is I drilled a hole in the bottom, and you get the little PVC pieces that fit up through there, and on the inside is threaded. So you thread a piece onto this, and I'm gluing it all. But when you do that, it probably sticks up about, that far, or maybe a little bit further. It probably sticks up about that high from here to there on the inside. So I bought a bag of concrete that you just add water to and filled in around it. This is before I put any feed in it. So there's concrete in the bottom of these barrels about to right there, and it's sloped towards that hole. Now none of these are quite empty, so I can't really show you what it looks like on the inside. But after you do that, I ended up going back later and drilling little holes around the top, because I wanted it airtight. But when I had it airtight, this is cracked corn, this is black oil sunflower seed, and this is oats. Well, there's a lot of moisture in this corn still, and some of it was molding. I was like, oh, okay. So I drilled holes in the top so it actually gets airflow. And since I did that, it's been fine. It's wet and muddy here. But anyway, I'll take the top off and show you on the inside. Okay, I took the tops off. You can see cracked corn. Look at my previous video of how I made the cracked corn with a paper shredder. This is the black oil sunflower seed, and it's actually near the bottom. I'm getting ready to feed them, so you might be able to see the concrete at the bottom, way down there when I get done. And this is oats. Well, oats. All right, I have a 2-gallon bucket. And see, I put valves at the bottom. So I do a full bucket of this cracked corn, a full bucket of the oats, and then half a bucket of the black oil sunflower, because from what I read, the black oil sunflower is a lot higher in fat. So I only give them half of that. But you just cut this on. Out she comes. Try not to breathe in that dust. When it gets full, cut it off. All right, full bucket of that. Now the oats. So you can see it move on the inside. And just cut the valve off. Then we get to the black oil sunflowers. There's the hole. When it gets low, you can take a stick in there and move it around, or just kind of knock the barrel. I've noticed if I knock the barrel, it flies out everywhere. So close the valve, knock it, move it, do whatever you need to do, then cut it on. That's about half a bucket. That's all I need. Okay, I also put in oyster shell for extra calcium for them, but not a lot. So I take a peanut butter jar and get it about 3/4-ish full. That'd be enough. Sprinkle that in there. All right, last thing, split green peas, just dried peas. I buy 1 pound packs and I add 3 per batch. So 3 pounds of peas per batch. Then take my scoop here and just mix it all up till it looks well mixed, and a clear container you can see all the different layers. Eventually I'm going to make something where I can turn it and mix it, you know, a lot easier instead of having to do this, but this works. There we go. Oh, nice and pretty. All right, we'll show you the bottom. Take my stick. Drop my phone in there. Let it focus. There we go. So if I uncover, there is the concrete. All right, I gotta fill this one back up. 40-pound bag. I heard it fall. There you go. 40 pounds, chills it close to the top. Alrighty, hope that helped you learn something. I started making my own feed over a year ago because the stuff you buy at Tractor Supply, you know, it's full of who knows what. And the chickens seem to love it. Once I started feeding them that mixture, I would have 2 feeders in there, one with my homemade mixture and one with the store-bought stuff. Store-bought stuff would sit there for like a month. They wouldn't touch it. They quit eating it. I ended up just dumping it in the yard. So they like it, don't you? Perfect. All right, guys, enjoy it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it. Appreciate it. God bless.